Coronavirus cases continue to climb in Rhode Island. The Department of Health reporting over 900 new cases yesterday. That's the most since January. I'm Kim Kalunian.
And I'm Shannon Heggie. Hospitalizations are also on the rise, but a thing to keep in mind is that the number of new cases this time last year was more than 1,400, and the number of people in the hospital was more than double the number reported today. 12 News reporter Amanda Pitts has what local health leaders are advising and more on President Biden's plan ahead of the holidays. Amanda?
Well, Kim, Shannon, Dr. Jim McDonald from the Rhode Island Department of Health is advising people to mask up again. And before getting together with loved ones during the holidays, he says get tested and get your booster. And President Biden is making that easier.
I think we need to go back to wearing our masks.
Dr. Jim McDonald recommending Rhode Islanders break out the masks again and remember these 3 V's before gathering for the holidays.
I think as long as you vaccinate, ventilate, and you visit safely, don't go to anyone's house with any symptoms at all, and maybe get a test before you go. I think it's a really good idea if you can get a test before you're going to a gathering.
The president making that easier in his new COVID plan.
This winter, we're going to make free at-home tests more available to Americans than ever before. If you're one of the 150 million Americans with private health insurance, next month your plan will cover at-home tests.
President Biden's other key items in his plan include making boosters eligible to all adults, opening hundreds of family vaccination clinics, increasing the surge response team to 60 teams, and pledging to deliver 200 million more doses to countries across the world. Dr. McDonald doing what he does best in his monthly interview on 12 News Now at 4 to help us understand the newest variant.
The virus changes from time to time, but it's still the same virus, just like these are the same teddy bears. Omicron, though, it's different. It's a totally different teddy bear.
With the new variant combined with Rhode Island's cases climbing, Dr. McDonald says it's important to not be discouraged and instead use the tools we have for protection.
As we get to this time of year, we're going inside. We're going to be around more people. This is the time. It spreads person to person, my friends. So this is where we need to be careful to make sure we protect ourselves. And that's where the booster vaccines really are best protection.
Now we have several charts showing the state's COVID outlook now compared to this time last year up on WPRI.com. In studio, Amanda Pitts, 12 News.